Hi friends, and welcome to our Crafting on a Budget Mother's Day Craft Ideas YouTube hop. And yeah, I am so excited to share some Mother's Day craft ideas, if whether or not you're crafting on a budget. And today we are debuting our Shabby Chic Vintage Shabby paper collection by Anna Torres. She's Anna's Wonderland right here on YouTube. She has specifically made this paper collection for DecorateYourLife.com. Yay! So we're so excited to share that with you. And so before I get started in showing you my project ideas, I'm going to go ahead and give you the lineup. Of course, we start with me, Decorate Your Life. The next person up is Jennie, who is Craft Creations. Then we have Susan, who is Craft Adventures with SusanToocker. Then we have Tina, who is Tina Loves to Craft. Then we have Vanessa, who is Vanessa Angel Rose Designs. Then we have Kathy, who is Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. And last but definitely not least, we have Linda, who is Linda's Crafty Doodas and Poopas. I love that name. Oh, giveaways. Yes, we are also holding giveaways. Now, the giveaway for my channel, obviously, is one digital copy of this adorable paper collection, and I will go ahead and do a quick digital flip through of this paper collection at the end of this video if you have not already seen it. Okay, you can also view it in my website, and this digital paper collection can be downloadable, printable, and if you do not have access to a printer, I can always send you the printed copy. So I decided to take Anna's collection and make a gift box with it. So I did use some of my foam, glittered foam, to accentuate the heart shape, and I did use some dies from my stash, and this is what it looks like. I love the way it came out. This is what the bottom looks like, and we have embellishments on here. And of course it is a shaker lid, and I love because everything just shakes. And this, by the way, this right here is from the furniture / drapery department at Hobby Lobby. I always buy them by the bolt whenever they go half price or on clearance. I buy a ton of these because I love making boxes, and I can always use them to embellish the boxes. And on the inside, now I have not finished what I wanted to do on the inside because I kind of ran out of time, but my idea is to go ahead and add die cuts to this piece that embody the very feminine side, you know. And so yeah, since it's Mother's Day gift ideas and everything, this would be great for like a crafter friend that you have in your life who is a mom or who has been like a mom to you or to your children, right, or your grandchildren. So yeah, this is part of what's going to go in here, and also this. Now, this is not part of my giveaway. I will give this away at a much later time once I have finished filling this up with all sorts of crafty goodness. So be on the lookout for that video. It could come up anytime in any of my pop-up giveaways. Pop-up hidden giveaways. So this is what it looks like, and I did make the box using watercolor paper instead of cardstock because it's so much more durable than just regular cardstock. And so yeah, this is what I made for my project, and the die cuts, and these I also used the paper by Anna. And this is what one of the papers looks like. And so, yeah, our giveaways for the digital paper collections, you will have a chance to win in every single channel. They are international giveaways, and I don't know if the other crafters are going to hold local giveaways. Local, I mean US only or whatever. And so, anyways, yeah, you will have to check on them. So you have several different chances of winning. And we're also going to sign you guys up for a grand prize opportunity to $25 store credit to my digital shop at decorateyourlife.com. Thank you all so very much for watching, and good luck on the giveaways. Bye. Next person in line is Jennie, who is Craft Creations. Check out their links down below. Talk to you soon. Bye. Oh, yeah, and in 3 days we come out with the giveaway winners. Okay, now I'm going. Bye now.